Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the petals like this. Same flower repeat here. Draw like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Flower outline was completed. Now I am using golden color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Here I am using orange color brush pen. Fill this upper part with orange color brush pen. If you want, you can use any other colors. If you want, you can use color pen or sketch pen, whatever you want. Now I am using black color sketch pen for round shape. Here I am using scale and black color sketch pen for these lines. Draw the 3 lines like this. Here I am drawing one more 2 lines. Here I am using orange color brush pen for this line. Fill this space with yellow color brush pen. Here I am drawing half circle design. Draw like this. Same design repeat here. Here I am using pista green color. Fill this space with this color. If you want, you can use any other colors. Now I am using red color pencil. Fill this middle space with red color pencil. Fill like this. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is flower border design. Draw the flower like this. Here I am drawing small flower. Draw like this. Here I am drawing leaf shape. Draw the small lines in middle of this leaf shape. Draw like this. Same leaf repeat here. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Put a dots like this. Draw the small lines like this with black color sketch pen. Same repeat here. Now I am using red color brush pen. Here I am using black color sketch pen. Color pencil. I am using black color pencil for shading. Fill this flower with yellow color brush pen. Same color repeat here. Now I am using green color highlighter. Fill this leaf shape with green color highlighter. If you want, you can use brush pen or color pen. I am using scale and black color sketch pen for these lines. Draw like a flame. Draw like this. Fill the corner with this design. Same design repeat here. Put a dots like this. Same design repeat here. Now I am using yellow color brush pen for this corner. Here I am using red color brush pen. Now I am using light
Thank
blue
you so much
color
for watching.
pencil.
Support me as liking, sharing,
Draw the
commenting
outline
and subscribing.
Light blue color pencil.
Thank you so much for watching. Support me.
Fill like this.